You've now learned how to gather all of the data from your research in one place, organize that data so it's easy to understand, and find themes in the data. There's only one step left: come up with insights. As you come up with your own insights, you might be wondering, what makes an insight strong? In this video, we'll check out 5 qualities of strong insights. First, strong insights are grounded in real data. Insights need to be based solely on what you observed during the research study, not what you felt at the time. And each insight should be supported by multiple pieces of data. Insights are strongest when they apply to multiple study participants, instead of just one. It's okay to have outliers, of course. Not everyone will agree, but the more of your participants that feel the same way, the stronger your insight is. In our example usability study, 4 of the 5 participants want to be able to book a dog walker repeatedly. So we would write an insight based on the theme, most participants want to book a dog walker on a regular basis. Our insight might be, users want to book a dog walker on a scheduled basis instead of making a one-time reservation. Second, strong insights need to answer the research questions you listed in your research plan. You want to tie your insight to the research questions to help people understand why the insight matters. In our example usability study, the research questions were, how long does it take a user to find and book a dog walker in the app? And what can we learn from the user flow or the steps that users take to book a dog walker? So we'll need to come up with insights that answer either or both of these questions. Third, strong insights should be easy to understand. Keep in mind that your stakeholders might not have been involved in the planning of your study, but you still want them to understand your insights. Use simple language that doesn't require detailed knowledge of the study. If you randomly shared your insight with a friend, they should understand what you mean. For example, an insight for our usability might be, when users have to select a date, they prefer to see a calendar. This insight tells the team that users find it easier to pick a date in a calendar format instead of a list. The language used in this insight is easy to understand, even if you didn't know the details of the study. Fourth, strong insights increase empathy for the user experience. Empathy increases the team's engagement because they put themselves in the user's shoes. That extra level of commitment can fuel their enthusiasm to improve the product. We can all imagine a time when we didn't know that we were going to be charged for a purchase. So another insight we might come up with is, users are surprised when there is not a confirmation page before being charged. You may have used another website or app where you selected an option thinking you'd have an opportunity to modify or cancel it, but instead the purchase was complete. This experience may have left you frustrated. This shared feeling allows you to empathize with the participants. Finally, strong insights inspire direct action. For example, an insight that states the dog walker app is useful does not suggest an action, but an insight that states users want to book a dog walker on a scheduled basis instead of making a one-time reservation tells the team that this part of the user experience needs to be adjusted. Remember, UX research is all about identifying problems, finding solutions, and testing those solutions. The most valuable insights include suggestions for putting a solution into action. Great, now you know all about research insights and how to come up with strong ones. Keep the tips we discussed in mind when you create insights, no matter what point in the design process you might be in. And that's it. You now know how to turn observations from your usability study into insights. Great job.